In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lightroom presets from the desktop cloud version of Lightroom. Now, I know exporting presets might seem a little bit complicated if you're new to this, but don't worry. We're going to go through it step by step, making sure it's as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's start by opening up your Lightroom on the desktop. Now, once you've got that open, you'll want to focus on the panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is known as the Presets panel. It's where all the magic happens, where your editing styles are stored, making it super handy for consistent edits across different photos. Next, you'll need to locate the specific preset that you want to export. You'll find this under Yours, if you've saved it there, or perhaps in a group you've previously set up for better organization. It's really important to keep your presets organized, so consider grouping them by project or style to easily find them when you're working on different types of edits. Once you've spotted the preset you're interested in exporting, you'll need to right-click if you're using a mouse, or control-click if you're on a trackpad or certain types of mouse directly onto that preset. This is going to bring up a menu of options, so just take a close look at those. From the menu that appears, you're going to look for the option that says Export. According to the Lightroom help documentation, once you select Export, your preset is being packaged into a format that's easy to move around, specifically an XMP file. This is the standard format for Lightroom presets, which makes them easy to share and re-import later. Now, you'll be asked to choose a location on your computer to save this XMP file. Make sure it's somewhere memorable. Often your Documents or Downloads folders could work best, or perhaps a dedicated Lightroom folder if you have one set up on your computer. Keeping things tidy helps a lot if you're planning to import these files into another version of Lightroom down the road. Once that file is saved, it's officially exported. This file is now ready to be imported into any other Lightroom installation, or, if you prefer, you can just keep it as a backup. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your presets, particularly if you've put a lot of time into creating them and want to ensure they're secure in case anything happens to your main Lightroom installation. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Lightroom preset. Feel free to repeat this process for any other presets you wish to export, and enjoy the flexibility of using your creative edits across different devices or simply storing them safely. Thanks for following along today, and happy editing!